Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the Nyquist pulse shapes which you had learnt in the previous session. As we had learnt in the previous session, what do you mean by Nyquist pulse? Is nothing but it's a pulse which is said to be carried out when the information is being transferred over any of the cable. So when the information is being transferred on any of the cable, it may be like the signal may not be fully, it will be transferred over the line. It will be halfway through. That signal it may have a decay. Decay it's nothing but the gradual the data it may it's weak, the gradually the signal may become weak. It's nothing but the Nyquist pulse. So every time when the information is being transferred, the signal gets transferred in a proper way, but sometimes the signal may become weaker. So that is nothing but the Nyquist pulse shape, and it has its own formula and its own diagram. When you consider here, you can see how the gradual decretion is there within the signal in the pulse. Okay, that is called as the decay. Okay, so it becomes half of the signal of which is being transferred from one end to another end. Okay, you can see here it is nothing but half of the signal. Okay, it's nothing but the international standards is there. That standards it will be obtained and it will be transferred. Okay, and it has the formula sine pi t by t and cos pi alpha t by t. It's nothing but after some time the gradual decretion happens, the decay happens, it is nothing but the alpha which is there. So divided by pi t by t, 1 minus 2 pi t by t whole square. So whenever it is being there, when it is decreased, half of it gets decreased your signal with your decay, and here it has the double of it. It will be starting incrementing and decrementing at each and every level. So that is your Nyquist pulse shape. Okay, in the Nyquist pulse shape, other sections we will be learning is each and every time when you calculate the signals when they are said to be transferred, those signals it has to be sent and received with some or the other format. So it will be in the formats where it will be calculating the times, the number of seconds 0t, 2t, 3t, 4t. When the signal is being in the wave format, whatever it is, it will be in 0t, 2t, that format it will be there. And you all know which and all mediums are being used while it is said to be transferred. It will be represented with its own representation symbols. Those are nothing but zero intersymbol interferences. Intersymbol interferences are nothing but in between the degree changes. So you have a alpha, you have a decay, you have pi, you have t. Those are nothing but the interference symbols which are being used over the line. Okay. So in the signal, remember Nyquist pulse shape, it has all these concepts. You use all the various devices, you use mediums, you use transmitter, receiver, whatever it is. But when it is being transferred, it uses its own formats. It may be using the theta, nothing but your pulse shape when it is growing up and down with the degree, that is theta, and pi, a constant is there which will be referring your signal. And you have the alpha, it's nothing but decay. Decay is nothing but sudden fall of the signal may be there, that becomes the decay. You have the signals, you have the sine, cos, everything that is there in the signal. So when it is being decreased, when it is decay, it becomes half of the signal. Remember that. Okay, that is nothing but your signaling part. In the signaling part, it may have multiple levels of signaling. So those multiple levels of signaling, it will be having its own pulse which is said to be doubled. So it becomes 2 pulse slash hertz. The frequency, it will be doubled when it is said to be flowing with multiple frequencies at a time. So it is called as 2 WC bit per second it will be transferring. So m number of bits, how many bits you transfer? 100 bits you transfer, but it will be carried with number of multiple signals at a time. Those are nothing but the multiple bits per second over the pulse. Okay, that is called as multiple signaling, and it has its own multi-level signaling is being done. You can see out here it has, for example, you have multi-level signals with 4 levels. So you have -1, -1/3, plus 1/3 and plus 1. Those are said to be plus symbols. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 are the formats of this one. Minus, -1/3, then you have the 1 by 3 and the minus 1 by 3. All those are there in the multi-level signaling part, which is called as the composite waveform. So in each and every level the signals may change from higher to lower, lower to higher. So when it is coming down, it is said to be your decay of the signal. Okay, so this is a Nyquist pulse. Remember, it has gradual increase and decrease in the signal. It has its own levels. It may be in the positive level or it may be in the negative levels. And in the future session, we will be learning about the noise which is being inculcated in the signals. Okay, thank you.